Okay guys, so when we were in Vienna studying abroad, I would go get chocolate cake from this restaurant right down on this street called Plain Kitchen, and it was my favorite chocolate cake ever, and I haven't had it in over 2 years, and we're about to go get it.
Yeah! She's so excited.
It's all I can talk about. When I was at home and wanting dessert, I would just think about this chocolate cake.
And we've withheld for 2 whole days, so now we're about to go get it.
Not sure if this is the same exact cake. It looks different, but we'll see. Like, it doesn't have the cocoa powder on top, and I think there's gonna be like orange in it because it also has a different name, I think. But we'll try it. Sorry, I was checking out the bottom of it. It's different. It's orange chocolate cake, which is what we ordered, but
the cake was not the same. So now we're going to go to the Opera House, which is right next to where we used to go to school in the mornings when we were here. That's where our school was, right here. Alaina's taking a picture.
we are walking over to Stephan's Dome from our Austro-American Institute because it's such a nice day outside. It's like 73 degrees. I even put like a little jacket on. It feels great.
The first time we've ever even considered wearing something more than just short sleeves and shorts. Yeah. But we could see it in the distance, so we wanted to walk to it. We have lots of energy because we haven't done a lot of exercise today, so yay! We remember this as being one of the biggest churches we'd ever seen when we first saw it, but now coming back to it, we're comparing it to the La Sagrada Familia in Barcelona because that was the biggest church building we've ever seen. It makes this look like just a regular church building almost. It's still very impressive, but
no, this does not look anything like a normal church.
Okay.
But we were just thinking that, like right now looking at this looks really like big and crazy, just so much. But then compare it to the Sagrada Familia, how much bigger and crazier that was than this is even.
Yeah, okay, that's a better way of saying it.
This just looks like a normal church compared to the Sagrada Familia.
In comparison, they know what I mean. Happy Noodles! Our favorite late night snack. We have a ton of energy from our super healthy chickpea dinner and the Choco Orange Torte. So now we're walking all the way across the city to Prater, which is like a theme park. It was closed when we were here because it was winter, but now it's summer, so maybe it's open. This place is absolutely massive. Not at all what I thought that it was. It's like a huge fair, basically. Oh my goodness. We're gonna come back and ride these. It's a real life piggy bank. That's funny.
We got more groceries.
We're gonna make breakfast sandwiches in the morning. We needed egg, milk. We are gonna add bacon.
Cheese.
Oh yeah, cheese somewhere.
And peppers, and we have onions in our room.
And spinach.
Now,
back to roast sour. today was a really good day. We got to walk around the city and look at a lot of the places that we have not seen in a long time. It was kind of just for our enjoyment. We plan on making like a more in-depth walk around guide to those places that are our favorites. But today was just kind of an introduction back into the city. But now it's time for bed. Okay, so we just finished our morning work and breakfast, and now we're going to go to get Kasekrainers, which is our favorite street food in Austria, and then we're going to the climbing gym. So lots of fun things, but we're going to switch to iPhone because we don't want to take the camera to the climbing gym. We had to stop by the ATM because we ran out of euros, and this place is only cash. Okay, we're just leaving the climbing gym. Mega fun. I used to go there all the time when we lived here, and so it felt really nice to get back. But I didn't see anyone I knew, so I guess everyone has moved on. Anyway, now we're walking back to Das Mill, and
it's very cold.
No, it feels amazing after climbing.
I've just been sitting, so I'm very cold, and it's windy, and I wish I would have brought a jacket.